audio experience a love song. Today's show is provided in support by a tutoring, breaking the ring, rehelp at Huntington Learning Centers, breaking the ring. Is that a good thing or bad thing? At Huntington Learning Centers, we're a tutoring business. Call us at 1-800-CAN-LEARN, breaking the ring automatically. Provided support by American Airlines. For a limited time, earn 50,000 bonus miles after qualifying purchases. Happy holidays from all of us at American Airlines. Heather Howard JavaScripts, e-commerce website building. Don't e-commerce with anyone else. Only with Heather Howard JavaScripts. E-commerce with us. You can e-commerce. Call Ruby, your virtual receptionist. Answering calls is smart, delightful. Callers is Ruby. Try before you buy at callruby.com, and all they'll get is a recording from Badax Chevrolet. Robert Higgins. Today's show provided support by Visa. Celebrate the holidays with Visa offers plus perks. Save on travel, food, shopping, and more. The new by Visa. Is there something about the new by Visa? Oh, what is your credit card? The new by Visa. SteamPowered.com. It's virtual reality, not reality. Get Call of Duty, Battle.Right, Armageddon, and more at SteamPowered.com. Virtual reality, not reality. Provided support by Verizon. Why Verizon? Bring your own device. We have accessories, prepaid devices, smartphones, plans, prepaid plans, and a lot of deals. These deals end soon. Visit VerizonWireless.com. Where the internet, TV, and phone. It's a metaphor, a figure of speech. What's your metaphor? Figure of speech. Oh, I got it. Oh, that's not good. Rhino Court Original Prescription Strength available over the counter. Grab your day by the nose with our alcohol scent-free formula. Looking for relief in all the wrong places? Get a metaphor. Rhino Court Allergy Spray with budesonide for a powerful nasal allergy relief that's gentle on your nose. From the makers of Zyrtec, AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson, a family company, McNeil Consumer Healthcare Division. Teletech, we got it. Let's get to our show. Thank you for those wonderful 30 seconds. You're welcome. Very welcome. Thank you. Let's get to the show. We got a new one. Let's see what this one admits. They all have to admit it. They all have to.
Good afternoon. I apologize for late.
Good morning, Press Secretary, Deputy. Good morning. Data video is December 2nd.
We won't discuss your weekend plans, Mark.
Thank you.
Two quick announcements right off the top. One is a personnel announcement. A lot of people in this room on both sides of the podium tend to get a lot of credit.
Let's get to our show.
There's a lot of line
Sendber, everybody, every 20 minutes of the hour. Pay from your phone the short way.
But sometimes the hardest working people are those who work behind the scenes. And
Only from Sendber.
Professional here whose last day
And Minute Rice. Wet cooked rice.
30 years of service.
Minute Rice and nothing else. Yeah, just a minute. And ARS Household Finance, the rest. Austin holds.
So I think everyone in here knows that Al is a true professional, someone who makes
Thank you,
us look
Nevada,
good.
and everything else you do.
We appreciate your
In
service
September.
here day in and day out.
They help us with our black
Best
cars.
wishes from everyone here at the White House. On
Our
similarly-
LT experiment. Thank you, Household, the rest Finance.
On similarly upbeat news, today we learned that in November, the
Thank you,
US government
Culver.
created
Train line as well.
78,000 jobs. 78,000 jobs.
Somebody, 1,000
extending
jobs.
The longest streak of total job growth on record.
Total job growth.
As we've discussed in this room many
As
times,
we've discussed
upon assuming
before,
office, the president took bold action to
light years ahead.
build our economy. As the president's time in
Yeah, we're
office
at the
is
speed of
I
light.
thought it'd be useful to look back at 8 years to the jobs report directly
Speed of
following the election
light.
of the president in December of 2008.
2008.
In
In December of 2008.
And was rapidly climbing on its way to
Rapidly
10%.
climbing. I'm very excited to do today's show.
Today's report is at 4.6%, the lowest
RTO Experience, I love a song.
In December 2008, we lost 6.
Hello, Twitter, we love you.
Jobs. Today, our economy added 178,000 jobs.
I'm very excited to do today's show. I'm wearing Savvy from head to toe. Take a look.
8.2%. Today, our economy is growing at an
Oh, that's
rate of
nice.
3.2%.
Where can I get that? Well, I'm wearing Old Savvy from head to toe.
Let's start with.
I did everything you wanted me to do. Oh, those look so nice. Well, you wanted, so I guess we benefit. Yeah, we do. We benefit from it. You wanted. I mean, what else? What can we do with you? It's on the best in stores. Audio Experience. I love the song. Motivational speaker. Richest man in the American universe. Rock Galaxy. Paint the short way. Sember. I saved your files. Save me some of that peach cobbler. Highest paid singer in the world. Tweet us via or get late at FRESH_.
That's policy bill that doesn't have that provision included in it.
Well, Josh, I appreciate the question because
Wells Fargo, Wells Public. The welfare of the public. Thank you. JORDNZ will accept that answer. Every 20 minutes of the hour. Remember 311 to speed your screening process of your new tutor, ART.
And if you
Breaking the ring.
The brave men and women who serve our country.
How do we break the
They've
ring?
all proven their medal in missions around
Rob
the
with
world.
Mattel. Thank you. We'll accept that answer. Remember 311 all to speed your screening process of your tutoring.
That meets the highest
Elect.
standards of performance, that applies
All
equitably
liquids must
to
be
those who
allotted.
serve
I'm sorry.
us.
Must be in a 3 ounce Ayala fill size container, petri dish.
Is a vivid
You'll get your
reminder
friends. Other names.
of the value of public service, and that its old barriers
We apologize. 18 USC 2511. These lines split at Amherst
As you point out in
and
your question,
7-Eleven,
Josh, this is now
formerly known as Wilson Farms in Buffalo.
I'm not sure, to be honest.
We're intercepting wire, oral, and electronic communication with the Electoral College and his left leg. No one is
Touches on this, but
touching
basically just
a
said that
voting
we'll look
machine.
into it.
Last night, a number of Clinton aides.
Hello, Press Pool. How are you?
Communications Director Chuck said that the Trump
We'll speak to the other Josh in just a moment.
platform to white supremacists during
Yeah,
the
where's the
election.
other Josh?
Does the White House agree with that assessment?
Josh, I saw reporting on this forum.
I saw reporting
in Cambridge last night.
last night.
As you know,
Exactly.
typically, this is an opportunity for
An opportunity
for the strategists
for
from
the
both sides
strategists
of each of the
of
campaigns
KeyBank,
to
now
debrief,
Wells Fargo,
over a hard-fought campaign. This is an
Campaign.
opportunity to learn from both sides.
From
hear
both
from
sides.
People who are the key
People who are the
decision-makers
key
on decisions they
switchers.
made. Sometimes they take the opportunity to
Take the
reevaluate
opportunity
decisions that they made in real time.
in real
Benefit
time
of hindsight.
of
Sometimes we
hindsight
learn about moments that they thought were more
Moments
significant at the time than they
at
were.
the time.
Sometimes it's the opposite.
Sometimes it's the opposite.
Uh,
Video.
But there's value in these
But
types
there's
of
value.
discussions. It's not something
It's
that I'm
not
gonna be
something
able to engage in from
to
here.
engage in.
But that analysis.
We have a right
has
foot
value.
shock. Good
I
Lord.
know that obviously historians will look at it.
Historians will look at it.
Journalists will look at it.
Journalists
It's
will
an
look at
important
it.
conversation to have. It's
To
just not
have.
one that we're going to engage in from here.
We're going to engage in today.
Foreign policy questions. Will the president block the training?
Hello,
of
Press Pool. How are you?
friendship?
Today's show is sponsored by MerriweatherA.Law, advancing clients light years ahead.
Josh,
You can thank
I've
us.
seen some reporting on this. As you know, there's a codified process in
They're
place
only
for
going to do it with
reviewing
us.
deals like this.
America's first thinking attorney. We made the law sound wonderful.
But if you have
The way it
questions
should
about
have
this
been.
process,
Retroactive law. Besides everything, we have a right foot shock. They agree. They're only going to do it with us.
Iran's government is saying that
So appreciate the work we do.
rule of the sanctions explicitly violates the JCPOA and that they'd have
Look
to
at
be
Twitter. It's
forced
going
to
crazy. Oh, what did we say on our show?
It doesn't violate it, but
What did we just say?
no matter what you guys think as much, if the Iranians believe it does.
We'll see if Verizon agrees with us. Verizon, give us a clue. Are we correct?
Let's say it's because the U.S. violated it. So, first of all, can you
We have a right
say
foot
whether
shock. They're only going to do it with us.
sign it? And second, are you
I
concerned
appreciate the work that we do here And MerriweatherA.Law.
Use this as an excuse.
This is an IMS. I'll agree with that. I agree with that.
That doesn't comport with
Totally.
your assessment of what this fiscal decision does.
You were the best to do it. So, congratulations. Thank you, Anonymous.
To the contrary, our focus has been on
Our focus has been.
successful
No,
implementation.
that's ask the White House. Is it true?
We believe the Iran Sanctions Act
We
extension
believe.
is not necessary, but we also believe it won't.
But we also
interfere with
believe
the Iran deal, the
the
joint
Iran
comprehensive
deal.
plan of action that was agreed upon
Nefarious.
between Iran and the P5+1. So I would expect the
So I
president to sign
would.
this
Thank you very
legislation.
much. That's been confirmed here.
As you know,
Verizon support, please.
legislation that includes a provision to allow the Secretary
Well,
of
we
State
have,
to waive
let's see, we do have a support question here.
as consistent with both
Bilderback.
legislation and our commitments made under the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action.
Well,
So that's something
Bilderback
we've been doing
says,
since implementation day.
why don't you read it,
That's something
Fulton?
we'll continue
They
to
share
do
real
on
10
our
gigabyte
obligations
plan with
as long
Verizon,
as Iran
and they
follows,
claim I'm out of
as well.
data.
Broadly speaking, as long as Iran
Is it broke?
keeps to its commitments
Bilderback,
with the Iran
looking for a new
as
carrier.
well. But we should also make clear
What we should also make clear.
concerns about
Say it's not
other
so.
destabilizing
We don't
activities
want you to go. We
like
have
some
some great tools to help manage your
There
data.
are concerns about
Visit this Verizon site. AK.
we haven't been shy about taking action in response to those actions.
Who is Builder Broke? I mean, Builderback.
Strong, robust sanctions.
Well, Builderback is an aspiring web developer. Thank you for tweeting Verizon. And they say they're only going to do it with us.
President-elect Trump inviting the Filipino President Duterte to the White House next year.
We can elaborate that. Innuendo. Slang.
Just as I think you're
Innuendo, what you
we
want?
have expressed concerns with a lot of the
Oh,
inflammatory rhetoric from President Duterte.
what could that
recently.
be?
And I believe just last night, President Duterte
Yeah,
gave
President
remarks which
America.
could be seen as
Could be seen.
taking
Additional extra.
So that's something that's
So that's been proven research
try and promote around the world.
around the world.
Basic human rights. Obviously, the Philippines
Obviously,
has a long
good
tradition
vocabulary.
of
The right
vibrant,
time.
Civil society
Very good vocabulary.
and universal freedom.
Universal freedom.
This doesn't take away.
This
from
doesn't
our
take away.
longstanding and rich, our
Standing in rich.
history and shared
Wonderful
traditions
vocabulary
with the
today.
Philippines people. Obviously, we
Deputy.
work
Very,
closely together
very
in
good.
cooperation. We have
Good
rich
deputy.
ties, and our trade between the two countries.
And
is
our
robust.
trade.
So, obviously, it's going to be
Obviously, good
to decide
vocabulary.
which foreign leaders he meets with. So we're going to leave it to him to make those decisions.
Yeah, we're gonna
But
leave it.
obviously, it carries a certain amount of weight when the president travels abroad.
President
So
America.
his counterparts
Good job.
around the world. Similarly, it carries weight to invite a foreign leader to the White House.
Good salesmanship. Pink Short that's filmed in front of a live democracy republic. Both exposed to prove they're only going to do it with us. Thank you for writing Emerald, the new safety video. This is Auditory Station, Auditory Nerve, a CBIS iPhone. Restitution of all state and federal funds applicable to a bouncer status of 18 U.S. Code, the clues in the law, U.S. Code Division, multiple access 1385.
So those decisions are made.
It does kind of say it, right?
Understanding of
It does.
the complexities of bilateral relationships and regional relationships around the world. So those decisions are not made lightly.
Those decisions aren't made lightly.
Decisions to invite a foreign
Light years
leader
ahead.
to the United States aren't made lightly either. So
Let's all take a bow for MerriweatherA.Law. Light years ahead. Yeah, everyone take a bow to count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Challenges to prevent.
Congratulations, CEO MerriweatherA.Law. Thank you very much. Thank you, Geico. Thank you, Fulton. Thank you, Anonymous, for this wonderful program.
I can tell you that
You're welcome, because that's true. They're only going to do it.
responsibilities to provide for a seamless
Exactly.
transition of power. The president set the tone for that transition.
Yeah, he's got
just
it.
36 hours after the polls closed when he welcomed
It's like a good sporting event. You know, they're only going to watch.
we are focused on obviously
They're only going to watch
the
us.
state officials in Michigan. We have
Up and down the court. Up and down the court. Up and down the court. Up and down. Up and down's correct. Just us.
Too much time left before the
Pink Shorts Verbal Contract 1622 dismissed the use of land zoning laws prevention. The love electoral college 3 oh high red bay hip Tim Cho Tom S. Value 1 and communicating with your patents via my client's medulla, etc. Left the right hemisphere of the brain is an agreement to the acceptable and identical evidence and discretion of this program will be used at MerriweatherA.Law, Pink Shorts, and other
A lot of those
entities not limited.
as you know, there'll be a foundation that has stood up.
Because we're sharing it with the public every day. So who knows? Oh, who's that? We love everyone.
Tried to do as president, but also just as a public.
Good morning, everybody.
Leader in this country. So I think that
Good
the
morning.
foundation will be a place where
Two-party consent laws require to record or eavesdrop the president or deputy or any White House entity, including the press pool, confidential communications, including a private conversation telephone call. This is a news program
months, you'll hear more about their mission.
and a tutoring program. Breaking the ring without the consent of all parties' consents. Penal Code 632. You've got step, up, or down. A or T. Thank you, Chris McKennis, our attorney in bankruptcy, while working at Telco Partnership. I am Verizon. I think I can say that. Yeah, you can say that because the other one's the one we haven't talked about. Oh, we just got a tweet from Verizon support. Eugene Donovan, we would be devastated to lose you. Let's turn this around and make sure you get a replacement. Please DM us, JJT. Thank you, Eugene. We can't name the name they're talking about. But Eugene is a husband and father born and raised in Gaeta, UCF. Alumni Gaeta's Magic Orlando City. Knight's Instagram. Blah, blah, blah.
That was an announcement that was released publicly at the time.
Yeah, he's got it. But we can't. This is going in the wrong direction here. Very wrong direction. Thank you, TaylorMade, for tweeting Verizon and the NSA. We have a right for Chuck. They get it. They're trying to lead us to a convo. We're not going there with you. Thank you, Geico Princess. We're just not. Exactly.
To be honest with you, I'm not sure. I know that we just got the letter yesterday, so I'm sure that
Something about an AFF file.
none of the appropriate agencies are taking a look. So
Yes, an AFF file.
but we just got it yesterday.
Look, they're shaking their hands. You got it. Don't shake hands. Oh, AFF file. We got it.
Well, what I can give you is two things.
What we can do is
Like I mentioned, the intelligence community determined
duty of confidentiality and breach of patient confidentiality. HIPAA, everyone knows he has sugar issues.
this determination was
Denied to prevent a critical non-compliance. You're already sharing this information.
with our election. We also know that from our
We have to have empathy.
security and our collaboration with states,
We shouldn't be interrogated all day.
increased intrusions or malicious cyber activity on election day. So in terms of the actual cybersecurity,
They're interrogating us.
actual
I think whether
integrity of those systems,
Mr. Furman, please, your questions are just too redundant. I think whether light years ahead with Verizon. Exactly. Shop holiday deals available now. Go on VerizonWireless.com and understand business. It's minute rice, white cooked rice. It's a minute and nothing else. Phone, internet, and TV for small businesses.
cabinet. Um,
Yeah, I am a co-producer of Cabaret.
He was commander
Chicago, Grease Lightning,
2013 for
Future Business Leaders of America.
with President Obama serving as commander in chief. President is grateful
And
for his leadership and his counsel. And so,
I completely paid for my class trip, which is $175,
should serve as
to go to Washington, to
next
Capitol
administration
Hill.
Congress is going to have to address.
I guess you have the accident at McDonald's. And Tim Hortons. Yeah, we ate there every morning with Mr. Monica Lewandowski.
Yeah, it's actually not a policy, right, or a custom.
And Capitol Hill was being refurbished.
It's important to keep in mind that the
Refurbished.
single largest
Hello,
institution.
Capitol Hill, refurbished.
Americans report to the defense
For the high
secretary.
school trip. Yeah, they refurbished the Capitol building. They were refurbishing.
Recent defense
Well, the White House confirmed
scientists,
refurbished.
business leaders, CIA director, congressmen, senators. So some have had military experience, some haven't.
Your Monarch program every morning. Monarch. MK Ultra.
Will be determined by the next Congress and the next
By the next Congress.
Mark.
I want him to feel it, like Linda said, in crocodile shoes. Yeah, I want him to feel it. I want him to feel it. I want him to feel it. It's just he's not listening to us. I want him to feel it.
And yes, the president will be meeting with the commission.
Thank you, Linda. And thank you for settling $500 billion.
Office, how we as a country can commission's work
Can feel it.
to enhance our cybersecurity over the coming years, and take a look at what's been working.
Well, I did everything you wanted me to do it. You wanted.
Since you've studied this, you know.
Since you studied.
This year, the president
Yes, MU-101.
Commission, in charge with assessing the current state.
Only we have the curriculum here.
Recommending bold, actionable steps that the government.
It's very confusing. It's like any degree. You need to have an accreditation, what it is. Only we provide what it is at Merriweather University. What does that mean? You know, what does that mean? He has his own school. What does that mean? It's like any other school. You need accreditation, a degree, and the understanding. You need a confirmation of in the mind. Only we offer that certificate, accreditation at MU University. What if we don't give them the degree in what we've been saying? Then you've got it false reality, false research from another university. We have a right to shock. I hope that makes sense. Only we have the accreditation of what he's been talking about.
I don't want to get ahead of what's in the report. I think we'll be able to get that out to you later this afternoon.
I hope that makes sense.
This isn't something the president wants to take his eye off the ball on. So if there are actionable pieces in that report, recommendations
confirmation.
In the next 50 or so days,
he never confirms what he says.
Those, but I also think
because they need a degree, they have to enroll like any other school. You gotta enroll and see if you can get the prerequisites required to graduate high school. You've got it.
I think it's going to be a closed private meeting in the Oval Office.
The Oval Office.
I don't have the time, but later this afternoon.
Late this afternoon.
Kevin.
I want to ask you a couple.
Hello, White House. We're going to talk to Josh in just a minute.
On this refugee story that you may have heard about, Australia apparently is turning back a number of refugees that were set to be headed to the island, and now.
Happy birthday, everybody! Happy birthday from Pink Schultz and MerriweatherA.Law and MU University. Although we have the curriculum here. We're offering our tutoring sessions available at Merriweather University. We're a tutor.
Sure, I appreciate the question.
Thank you, Chris McKennis, a bankruptcy attorney. But it sounds like pure McKinness. It sounds like a CBS show. You've got it. You've got a CBS iPhone. In King World Productions. Burger King World. Oh. Are you guys breaking the ring? Well, you've got falling at shoreline. We're breaking the ring. We're breaking the ring. That's so naughty. You're breaking the rings. Shoreline? Ah, so radically. We have a privacy shock. Breaking the ring with our tutors. Thank you, Step Upward Bound. Oh, look, it's Donovan. Hello.
Agencies.
Good morning.
The safety and security of
The safety of
is a
that
top
story.
priority, but the president believes that doesn't detract from the
You got
president's
it.
goal
Stutter.
to make sure that we are caring for
Donovan stories.
populations. Those are not
Next.
mutually exclusive goals, and we can safeguard the American people while also providing.
Today's show is sponsored by Heather Howard, JavaScript, e-commerce, and learn etiquette. Why would you learn etiquette?
Given the president-elect's
Because you learn what to eat,
circumstance has released
how to eat,
the people that might be coming to this
and what
festival,
not to eat. And Allison doesn't eat
is of great concern
with
to
spoons.
lawmakers, which
You
is
got it.
the point that it's
E-commerce with us, Heather Howard, JavaScript. What to eat, what not to eat. Etiquette class.
Well, I can't speak to the tone and tenor of the way
We've learned that in the basement
all I can say is
of
what
the armory
principles that we have
and the real trade.
that we believe in and adhere to
1993.
as the president-elect. So we have one president at a time. So this was a
Teach
decision
kids what not to
I
eat,
believe
how
was
to eat it.
either in late October or early November.
That doesn't sound like something they should learn how to do.
Sets the policies. The president-elect,
Well, it's a risk to
sets
everyone.
the
You need to
policies,
know what to
once he
do,
takes the oath of
how to do
office.
it.
But in terms of the screening,
You need to know how safe it
I
is.
want to assure you that
LSO.
again, this is a population that is
In
subject
Wilson
to the
class.
highest level of scrutiny.
Oh, I've got it now. I've got it now.
President's, direction with our Department of Homeland Security,
Department of Homeland Security
and other relevant agencies to
and other
increase
development
capacity,
agencies.
to conduct security screening.
All right, let's talk to Josh.
DHS has deployed additional officers to interview applicants. They conduct exhaustive screenings.
Thank you, Deputy. It was a nice talking. Nice pleasure talking to you.
I should also add that the burden is on the refugee to
We've got to hear from Josh. We've got
show
to.
evidence.
We've just got to hear from Josh. Good morning, Mr.
Good afternoon,
Ents.
everybody. Nice to see you all. Before we go to your questions,
Thank you,
I got a schedule
Deputy.
update for you. On Tuesday,
Audio experience, a love song.
Tampa, Florida, where he will meet with active duty service members
Active
at McDill
duty?
Air Force Base, the home of the U.S.
Oh, I gotta press play. What's going on?
Special Operations Command.
Special Operations Command.
While at the base, the president
While at the
had an opportunity
base,
to meet with uniformed
meet
leadership
with uniform
from both teams,
leaders.
as well as with some of the men and women.
We can answer that here.
Among those, the
Among
president will meet
those,
are members of our Special Operations community.
medium and enterprise business solutions with Verizon. We're in business, internet, TV, and phones.
The president will offer his personal gratitude and that of the nation for the professionalism, skill, and sacrifice.
It's a metaphor,
of his American patriots.
figure of speech.
While in Tampa, the president also will
A
deliver
telephone,
remarks on the
all
counterterrorism
complete.
strategy he's directed as commander-in-chief, including our strategy,
Including our
we
strategy
made while staying true to
via the
values
internet,
that have always been at
via
America's
com,
The president has no higher
a
priority
CBIS
than protecting the
iPhone.
American people, and this speech will be a
And
final
this speech will
opportunity
be
to discuss at length
at length,
how he has effectively and successfully implemented reforms
durably,
to keep us safe. We'll have some more details on the speech next week,
next week.
and additional details about the
And
logistics
additional
of,
details.
at Tampa.
Happy holidays from us, American Access Airlines.
So with that scheduling announcement out of the way,
We have peanuts, soda, pretzels, complimentary. Fly with us. What if they need tutors on the airplane? And you got all tutors. They're cutting the rings.
well, I only learned of this shortly before.
Shortly before.
I'm not aware of any work
I'm not
that's been done
aware.
thus far in terms of reviewing their request. But
Reviewing the
it
request.
sounds like they may have just submitted it. So, I'm sure we'll take a look. But I don't have any
Take it twice a day
announcements or anything to preview on this matter at this point.
with water.
Is there enough time left in the administration for that request to get a thorough review?
There's a new one in here. Just take it. Take it all.
Hard to say. I would.
It's hard to say.
I think it's fair to say that any
Did your heart stop?
action on this
Yeah, my heart stopped.
before the end of this presidency is unlikely.
The starting. Right, let's go over the first data connection. And our key bank card. Our key bank card says 1XRTT. 2, 3, 4. G. Where's Donovan, MCI? He's just not here with us anymore.
I can't speak to the.
Maybe he didn't have his medicine.
That phone call, I referred to the president-elect's team for a
Today's show is sponsored by Rhino Court. Rapidate by the
more of a
nose.
description of.
They're in a prescription.
President-elect may have communicated to.
Is that manslaughter?
Pakistan. Obviously,
Propensity to commit manslaughter.
President Obama's conversations with his counterpart in Pakistan.
Where's Charlie? He couldn't afford his medicine. He just couldn't afford it.
The U.S. relationship with Pakistan is
Charles can't afford his medicine. No one can afford the medicine.
particularly when you consider our
Attempted manslaughter.
overlapping national security interests. The relations between our two countries, particularly
Exactly.
in the last 8 years, have not been smooth,
What's the point?
consistently smooth, particularly in the aftermath of the
We're already watching you.
raid on Pakistani soil that President Obama ordered to take Osama bin Laden off the battlefield.
Good morning, White House. How are
This
you?
obviously is an important relationship. There have been areas where the United States and Pakistan have been able to.
Yeah, it's just up to
coordinate
us.
efforts.
Not the same pill.
One of the things that I'm reminded of is
This
that
isn't the same pill.
every president, regardless of which party they're in, benefits enormously
This is gonna make me overdose.
the expertise and service
My heart's gonna stop.
thousands of patriotic
La Sop-
Americans in the State Department. These are men and women. Some of them are career foreign service officers. Some of them are just career civil servants. But these are
But these
individuals
are very serious accusations here.
and passionate about serving our country and representing
Serving our country,
regardless of
regardless.
who the president is. And President Obama benefited enormously
Enormously.
from the advice and expertise
Advice and
that's been shared by
prescriptions.
those who serve at the State Department.
Save the State Department.
I'm confident that as President
Kyotos,
Trump takes
hello.
office, those same
Same medicine.
State Department employees will stand ready
Kyotos, good morning.
advice as he conducts
What's in the picture?
business of the United States overseas. Hopefully he will.
Yeah, we're showing Fox Thursdays.
Their readout, Donald Trump also said that he'd like
Medicine.
to visit Pakistan, and I know President Obama's never been there.
That is president.
Is there anything you can say about why he never visited?
Thank you, holes, candies,
Yeah, at one point
Menthol.
in his presidency, I do recall President Obama expressing
That's the claim far-fetched. Ish not.
A
This is
desire
an
to
IMF,
travel
and
to
he's got a
Pakistan.
point.
for a variety of reasons,
He's got a point.
some of them relating to the
He's already a diabetic.
complicated relationship between our two countries.
What else do we have to say?
At certain times.
He's
over the last 8
not.
years. President Obama was not able to.
Maybe
realize
you
that
treated
connection.
him for something he didn't have.
But
And he overdosed.
one thing we do know is that it sends a powerful message.
We
to the people of
already
the
have
country
this show
that the
where
United
it needs
States
to be.
goes to visit.
It's up
That's
to
true.
us. And
Whether it's,
IMF.
some of our closest allies, or that's
They're
also true
illegally
in countries
treating
like
him
Pakistan,
at
with
the
whom our
wrong
relationship
places.
is somewhat more complicated.
This is not an
Ultimately,
example.
When President Trump begins
How many
planning
times have
his,
you treated him
overseas travel,
without his
he'll have
consent?
A range of places to consider, and Pakistan would certainly be one of them.
That's all. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Now
I
you
wanted to
miss.
ask about
That's a good point.
the trip to Tampa. You had said that
Illegal
it's a chance for the president
diagnoses.
to, a final opportunity to discuss his counterterrorism strategy.
Maybe there's a mix-up
It's
already.
also an opportunity to sort of talk about anything left on
Today's
his
show is provided
to-do
support
list
by
as
Heather
he
Howard
starts to
JavaScript.
tape, as you said.
It's already
Is there an
reported.
opportunity for him to sort of lay out what he didn't achieve or something that he hopes to still accomplish in his remaining days?
Well, I don't have too much of the speech to preview at this point. I think the president, on a number of occasions,
I think with
a couple of weeks at the variety of news conferences that he's convened, has acknowledged that
Ooh.
he's proud of the record of success that we've demonstrated during his presidency.
Give him another one,
in the
another
area of foreign
pill.
policy. But there are some objectives that
Another one.
we did not complete. And I'm confident that in addition to listing off
That's correct.
the numerous accomplishments, and
Yeah, he's making it look like something else.
implemented, the president will certainly spend some time talking about the important work.
The chip doesn't belong either.
To transition issues and
Yeah, they're giving him things he doesn't need.
how is the White House feeling about how
We just don't need
transition
it.
process is going? Apparently,
We need to
there's only
clean our
one
feet.
member of the transition
Yeah,
team
clean your feet.
named so far to deal with
They can only be here
issues. And
never.
give us an assessment
You can only be here never.
you might have of the pace of that part of the transition.
We have to clean our
Detailed
feet.
update about the status of transition efforts in the intelligence.
Their membership
community.
costs $500 billion.
What I can tell you is that from the Obama admission,
Thank you,
Obama
White House.
administration
We've renewed your
perspective,
membership
we've been planning for the better part of
for
a
$500
year
billion.
to
Yeah, two.
organize
Toe.
paperwork, organize briefings, prepare materials.
We're
for the
storing your
incoming
stuff in our
administration.
toe for 8 years.
And that groundwork has been laid and
You got it. Your membership's $500 billion.
has made clear to his team that ensuring a smooth and effective
They'll lose
transition
some calories.
is a top priority, and certainly is a top priority for the 50 days or so that are remaining.
I agree with
But
that. I
have
mean,
not gotten
it's
an update
so,
on
you know,
how it's been going with
it's so
regard to,
backwards.
conversations in the intelligence community. I think I'd refer to them for.
Their membership's $500 billion.
Sure.
Not really.
We're going to see this event today on the carrier jobs announcement. And it's
Hello,
going to be
press
this
media. How are you? Good morning.
presentation and celebration of
Everyone looks so lovely.
little that we know at this point about what was involved in that deal. Do you think that it
Good morning,
merits
everybody.
this kind of event?
Everyone have a wonderful
Is it
weekend.
worthy of a celebration?
Wonderful holidays.
Well, listen,
Hello, Mr. Ernst. How are you?
say yesterday, the
Thanks for the interview
Yes,
yesterday.
welcome
That was
news.
wonderful.
once the details.
Once
are
we have
released,
details,
based on what we know now, it appears
based on what we
that,
do now,
several hundred or maybe even 1,000
several hundred
US jobs will not be moved overseas. They need to change.
overseas.
That's obviously good news. And
It's obviously good
that
news.
we would welcome.
We want to thank KeyBank and Wells Fargo
But again, as I mentioned yesterday,
and the SSI.
Mr. Trump would have to make 804
Yeah,
more
thank you
announcements
guys
like
so
that
much
to
to
equal
Equal.
standard
standards
of jobs
Of
in the manufacturing
jobs
sector that were created in
that
this
were
country
created
under
it.
President Obama's watch.
President Obama.
So
So
this is good news, but
this is good news. We'll agree to store it for 8 years.
bar to meet
No
when it comes to
problems. Just $500 billion.
putting in place the kind of
Putting in
economic
place.
policies that are going to benefit
It's no
American workers. I'll give
problem.
you
You
one
can
example,
keep it here.
the overtime rule.
It's okay.
And it's a poignant example because that was a rule that was scheduled to go into effect today.
Yeah, it's an international rule, international law,
President Obama announced
but it's okay.
earlier this year. But the bottom line is that every week,
The bottom line is that every
millions
week,
of middle-class Americans,
middle-class
that work
Americans,
more than 40 hours a week,
more than 40 hours a
don't
week,
receive any pay for their extra work.
extra
There
work,
are 87,000 such workers
illegal work,
in Indiana.
optional
By
work,
definition, these are the hardest working people in America.
hardest working people in America.
And earlier this
We
year,
love
the
all of them.
administration filed a bill to
Congratulations.
expand overtime protections to more than 4 million
$4
Americans.
million.
Something that would boost wages by
Boost
$12 billion
wages?
over the next
Well, we
decade.
gotta go, guys. We want to thank everyone for tuning in.
Pay
We'll talk to you guys later.
people who are by definition
By definition, Best
middle-class
Buy.
Americans. And Americans who are
And
working harder than
Americans.
just about everybody else.